Am I about to get a parking ticket, look?
I think you might already have.
Oh, look, if we get a ticket. Oh, bruv! Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Food Review Club. Now, I don't think we've ever filmed a better looking review than this. 2 reasons. Chinatown. Second reason, look at these. Yes? Talk about, come, pan up, pan up, pan up. Talk about tables to eat from. Now, this video, of course, is sponsored by Classic Car Giveaways. The boys are turning the game on its head. They're a major sponsor of the page. I can't believe we're working with them. We're actually gonna film some sick content tonight. But this exact car is the first giveaway. Now, if you like your classic cars, like they are so cool. $9.99 per ticket, 3,000 or 4,000. Know your stuff, Matt. 3,000 or 4,000 tickets.
3,000 to 4,000.
3,000 to 4,000 tickets. Lifetime, it's yours. You own it forever. Park it in your front room. Do whatever you want with it. It is class. And to top this off, we've thought we'd go, where can we go really, really nice round here? Come and zoom in, my love. Wingstop. So Wingstop has got one of these. Please get in the comments, by the way, if you know all about Wingstop. Wingstop's got one of these menus where you just order loads.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's just like so much. Here you are, look. What do you reckon? Come on.
It looks great.
You like the car?
Yeah. I'm not a car person, but yeah, it looks great.
Do you know you can actually win this exact car?
This exact car.
This exact car you can win.
The other guys told me about it, but
Yeah,
yeah.
$9.99 a ticket. The chances of actually winning this are actually bonkers compared to like normal lotteries and normal giveaways. This exact car.
So what, 1 in 100? So if I buy 100 tickets, I'm guaranteed to...
Mate, you're quids in. Where would you park it?
In my mansion. Inside, yeah.
Have you ever been to Wingstop before?
No, I don't eat meat.
Say again?
Don't eat meat.
Vegan.
You're vegan. I'm sure they have a vegan option, don't they?
I don't know, but I've never
Wingstop?
tried.
Do
Yeah,
you
I
have a vegan option? Get in the comments. Right, let's eat. Now, look, this is what I got. £45 worth.
I let you go in there. On your
Yeah,
own.
I know. So look, it's one of these menus where you just there's like 6 different flavours, 3 different types of wings, boneless and tenders, all the different sauces, different types of fries, and drink watch. They've got one of the machines where you can make it yourself. Initially I was going to get a Powerade, but Levi over there, my man, he's like, bro, you got to get the meze. The mez, what's it called, a mez? Why not? I was called it a meze. Mezzo mix, there we go. Coke and Fanta. Coke and Fanta together. Just dive in, mate, yeah, don't worry about it. Right. Very distracting review. Let's eat.
3.5 minutes till food.
That's probably a record. But look, we're well chuffed and working with these boys. Honestly.
Branded on.
If you like your cars, here we go. Look, what have we got in here? This is the fries. I think these are the buffalo fries.
How many fries did you get? Just one?
Just one. Did you know what, Jess? I'm gonna be honest. Ben ordered most of it. He's a regular. Ben, are you a regular?
You couldn't say that.
Look, he knows all the secrets and stuff. So these are the fries. Let's dive in with these. First impressions. They look on point, to be fair. I think these are the buffalo fries. So I've got some sauces on there. Cheese, buffalo sauce, ranch. That's punchy AF. Okay, there's a real spice to that. Woo! Oh, look.
I have the bag.
You work for Wingstop?
Yeah.
You work for
No
Wingstop?
way.
Yeah.
What do you think of the food at Wingstop?
I like it. I
You like
enjoy
it, yeah?
I love food stuff. We don't have it in France, so you know.
Are you from France?
Yeah.
Awesome. What's your favourite French food?
I don't know. I have too many.
Too many?
Yeah.
I like burnt onion soup.
I don't really like it.
No? There you go. What do you think of snails?
I like it.
You like snails?
Yeah. Don't you?
I had them once. They tasted a little bit like mud.
But that's
like
your
really
brain.
earthy.
It's your brain.
Yeah, listen, it wasn't in my brain. They're big as well in France, aren't they?
That's good.
What do you think? What do you think of the cars?
Wow, great. Amazing, man. Amazing. I want to park in my mansion in France.
Cars, good food, good location.
Yeah.
Should be set up for a good view. Now, chips, on point. A real spicy kick to them, which I kind of like. Kind of levels up your chips a little bit. But the main event, I just like boxes and boxes in here, Jess.
The main event.
That's pudding.
You got puds?
Yeah, I got look. Ben ordered everything. Here we go. Those of you that have been to Wingstop, by the way, please get in the comments. Do you love it, hate it, rate it?
They've won Wingfest a couple of times, haven't
Have they? I'm not sure about that.
they? No? Am I wrong? Or
Please
is it-
get in the comments. Have they won Wingfest? I don't think they have.
Oh my god, that smells good.
Ben? Look at this. This car will be valeted, by the way. Of course. We're actually causing a bit of a scene right now, by the way. So these are the originals. Ben, how are you? What have you ordered us here?
So we've got 12 boneless and
So these are the boneless, yeah?
yeah, those are the boneless, and then we've got 12 bone-in.
Bone in and boneless.
Original flavour, mild Louisiana rub, lemon and pepper, and I can't remember the other one. They're all
There we go, we had it from the man himself. Here we go. So these are the bites.
Oh!
Let's have a look at these. Oh wow, look at that.
That's like garlicky.
Look at that. It's a really interesting vibe in there, by the way. It's like really clean cut and like a little bit like, I know they're a massive chain. Rick Ross owns it. Like your really commercial vibe, but Ben is adamant that the food stacks up. Let's find out. Holy shit. Look at that. Really crispy, crunchy outer shell. Juicy piece of chicken. Exactly what you want.
Is it just plain, yeah? Just like
Yeah. Like some kind of cheesy garlicky sauce on the outside.
I can smell loads of garlic.
Just gets you behind. Loves the motors, by the way. Do you like this, yeah?
German and Swedish hunting knives, aren't they?
German and Swedish hunting knives.
Yeah.
What? I don't know. What is? The cars? You see?
They can't fool the Dutch either.
Can't fool the Dutch. There we have it. You can't fool the Dutch. Here we go. Ah. That's a lemon.
Oh!
A lot of people have said, you should try this. Wow. Really sweet citrusy flavour. That outer coating is insane. Now, I suppose you could call this the main event. Saying that though, the pudding might well be. Here we go. These are the sticky wings. Kind of small. There's, it might just be a small one, to be fair. What do you think, Jess? It smells incredible. That's melting in your mouth good. Look at them ducks in there. You see that? China down.
Tuck it out.
What a location. Duck here now. What a location. Is it just like, I get it. This is maybe isn't as like independent, obviously, that vibe about it. But do you know what? This is like bringing,
It would have been independent though, wouldn't
it
it?
would at once upon a time, but it would have been, I think I've got that Scott commercial vibe about it, Jess.
Oh, I
That's what I'm
see.
trying to say, that commercial vibe, but it backs it up. The sauces are ridiculous. Wingstop, your brand is on point. Look at the chicken, look. Perfectly moist. Not an ounce of grease. A buffalo sauce. look, we've been chilling with classic car giveaways. They've recommended this to me. They know how to do it. I've got it on me.
Yeah.
All gone?
This side.
Up here.
Yeah, you got it. You got it.
Man's making a mess out here. Chucking wing sauce all over his face. All right, cool. I understand. Whilst I'm deliberating, I want to have another one of these. Best one yet. Unbelievable. So Wingstop. I'm going to open up to this to you guys in the comments now. Those of you who've been to Wingstop, what do you think about it? Hit or miss? The same as like a McDonald's or the fast food chicken world? No. That's what someone told me. No, way better. Nearly as good as this setting for a review. One last dish.
What is that?
Oh, what was the girl's name inside? Julia from Shaftesbury Avenue. Thank you very much. She said, could I have a review for my service? Julia, your service was excellent. Ben, how would you describe her service? Was it on point?
On point. Good recommendation.
Good recommendation. She's helping us out with the menu. Julia, bravo. You've got management around the corner. Right, come and have a look at these. So these are churros, topped with Oreo.
Ooh. What are they called?
What did I call it? What would you call it? What would you call it?
You called them like Cheerios. Cheerios. No, churros.
Not Cheerios.
Churros.
Churros.
Yeah.
You get in the comments, let me know how you say it. Right.
I do like the churro though.
What is it? Cheerios. Here we go.
Oh. Cinnamon.
Got salted caramel and Oreos. Look. Ben said he eats here 15 times a week. And now I know why. Wingstop is legit. It might even be my favourite chain. Am I about to get a parking ticket? Look.
I think you might already have.
Oh look, let me get a ticket. Hey, bruv! Get him. Hey! Leave the FRC wagon alone.
Every time we come to London, we get a ticket.
Who's my keys?
Does he let us off?
You let us off?
Oh.
The hero. My man. Right. Let's wrap this up.
We're definitely going to get a parking ticket here.
Yeah. Needs must. Look, I'm just blessed to be working with these guys. These are a big sponsor of our page. They're actually giving away this exact car.
We're going to get it in.
The thing is that I want to get across. If you enter this at home now, your chances of actually winning this are massive. But it's not like the lottery. It's not like anything else. Literally like free. If you buy one ticket, 4,000 to 1. Levi, how many tickets are there? 3,000 or 4,000? 4,000. I keep dropping the 3,000 every now and again. Just throw a little spanner in the works, you get all the complaints. 4,000 chances to win this. $9.99. You can have an absolute Mustang on your driveway, in your garage. Do what you want with it. It's yours for life. No catches, no hidden fees. Incredible. These boys are going to take off. Here he is, parking warden. Hey, my man. Thank you. Oh, you come to get these ones as well now. Right, time for a score. Wingstop. Come over here, Jess. How's it going, mate? Rather than give a ticket, why don't you have some wings?
I'm just asking if you can carry on.
Yeah, okay,
Oh,
thank
thank
you.
you.
What's your name?
Fernandez.
Have you ever been to Wingstop before?
No,
It's very nice.
really.
Yeah, very good.
Very tasty.
Wingstop, just round the corner.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice person.
Thank you very much. You can win this, by the way, $9.99 a ticket.
God, do you want to be selling them on the street?
I could do that, you know. Ladies and gentlemen, what are we, buyers or spires?
Like in an airport.
Yeah.
You want to buy this?
Free
from
for
us?
a pound. Right, Wingstop. This is the serious part of the review. I absolutely loved it. The wings were banging. The boneless little bites we had, I think were better than the wings. Properly tasty. Chips, a little bit overpowering for me, to be fair. They were a bit spicy, a little bit up ya, a little bit a bit aggressive actually for a chip for me. The Cheerios, it were fantastic, and Levi's drink mix was
What, Coke and orange?
Coke and Fanta.
Coke and Fanta.
Probably is the best drink I've ever had in my life. Wingstop, you've smashed this out of the park. I absolutely love it. I want to give this a big 45 quid, all that was. Where's my receipt? Just run through the prices before
You're
we like.
really hanging on.
Oh, well, this is an important review, Jess. Look where we are, in Chinatown. So I like those 12 pieces were 12 of £10.50.
Quite good.
And the boneless pieces, sorry, the 12 wings are £10.50. £10.50 for the boneless. The fries were £4.80. And my churros was £5.50. It's got freestyle. I paid for the 4 drinks. Now, that's racked the price up. But look, for the money, I think that's on point. We've got serious things going on in now. I'm going to give this a score today of, well, it's a big fat 9 out of 10. Get in the comments and let me know if you agree with that or not. How good is this for a location, and this for a bonnet to eat off? Thanks for watching, everyone. And that was a Classic Car Giveaways review.